Today at Kean University, the event presented by Galleries at Kean, we were doing printmaking with one of the artists in residence.
The goal today was to bring out the artist in everybody and to share a little bit about my passion, what drives me, and actually, to make art using the process that I create with, the hand-cut print, which actually developed through learning it here at Kean University over 17 years ago.
I have never done printmaking before. This was a first-time experience, and working with Ricardo was very helpful. He really wanted us to understand the process and let us know that it's our art that we're making. It was really like an immersive creative experience that he facilitated.
Part of my job as an artist to create the vision, but the other part is to share it. And what better way to share it through education on the process, on the practice, on the discipline, on how that can mentally strengthen you to navigate your life to live a beautiful, full life.